Hi guys, been tidying out some of my stock again. Stuff I found tucked away in drawers. Spooky light up stick. Probably came from Poundland. Not definitely, but probably. A few years ago. Obviously the first thing I thought was rubber band powered car. But I did just check my previous videos and I did do a rubber band powered car with these back about 2 years ago, I think it was. And I think it was video number 444. We're up to 563, I think this will be. I'm still going to do it because I'm doing it in a slightly different way, not much different, same general idea, 3D print bits to clip on either end, and then just run it up and down in the kitchen. I better demonstrate it working, hadn't I? Because I was quite surprised. He says, and it's not. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I was quite surprised the batteries are still working. So we got fixed color, and then we got a few variations on flashing. So yeah, okay. So I've 3D printed something. Shouldn't really matter which way round I put them on. Oh, I just thought I haven't checked that this one flashes. Maybe not. Oh, a bit weak. I'll see if I got any fresh batteries for it. Anyway, we'll show you what we're going to do. Nice tight fit. And then at this end, take that off. I'll do that in a minute as well. And then that one will fit on there. And then we'll use wheels and axles that I've used before. So these are bicycle spokes, CDs with 3D printed hubs. So they will go through there. Right, I'll see if I've got some fresh batteries for that, so at least it flashes. Stick it together and we'll give it a run up and down the kitchen. That's fairly simple to put together. And I've stuck the GoPro on the back so we can actually see the flashing lights as it's going along. I'm going to run it as front wheel drive, just because that's more convenient to get the camera on the cross member at the back there. So we'll run it up the kitchen. That button seems a bit funny on that one. That's better. No idea how straight it's going to go. Looks to me like it might go a bit left. Can I adjust that? Okay. Yeah, going a bit left. I should be able to adjust that because those ends are just push fits. I'll just point it right to begin with. Right, that'll do. I'll put the camera at this end and see if we can hit the camera with it turning that way. Close. Well, the car worked okay. I had some problems with the camera. So we'll see what we've got when we start editing it. I'll put a link to the previous version so you can see the difference.